songs to help you manifest love. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so thankful you're here with me today. If you don't know, my name's Candice. Welcome back and welcome to the new people. There are a lot of new powerful creators, aka subscribers, to this channel, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for joining. It is confirmation that you are ready to have great personal development, learn manifestation and law of attraction, and just uplift yourself. That is why you're here, and it's really awesome. So pat yourself on the back for doing just that. In today's video, we are talking about 10 songs that I absolutely love because they help me manifest love in my life. And you know what, you guys, this video is about to be super mushy, super lovey-dovey, so get ready. I got my red on, got my fun sleeves on. So yeah, get ready because these songs are going to make you lovey-dovey. Just want to love on yourself, want to love on someone else. So get ready for that. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to be a part of this community. And hit that like button so I know you're ready to hear these 10 songs. I'm so excited for this video. Let's get started. So my first song is Speechless by didnt featuring Tori Kelly. Now this song just came out. I mean, the original song was here a while ago, but this arrangement just came out and I'm completely obsessed. So I want to give you a lyric that I love in this song. And I'm looking down because that's where my lyrics are, but don't mind me. So it says, every time you walk into the room, I'm speechless. I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. That just makes me feel all kinds of goody things. It makes me imagine being with the one I love, and every time I see them, my breath is taken away. We just can't breathe because we love each other so much. You know that feeling where you see someone you really like and you're like, oh, there they are. That is how this song makes me feel. And then the second song is Get You by Daniel Caesar and Kali Uchis. Here's the lyric. Who would have thought that I get you? And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. How sweet is that? This song makes me feel the feelings of being grateful for my soulmate. I just love how the lyric says, and I will just be thankful for the days I spend with you. So sweet. The third song is You Make It Easy by Jason Aldean. I can listen to this song all day long. It is so good. But here's the lyric. See forever when I see your face. I swear God made you just for me. You make it easy. Loving up on you. Sometimes when we are manifesting love, we tend to say, oh my goodness, it's so hard to find a good guy. It's so hard to find a good girl in my city. To date, to love, all the above. With this song, I'm reminded that love can be easy. When you find the right person for you, there's parts of love that are super easy. And love can be easy. You can hear this in the song. You can tell Jason is like, you make it easy to love. You make it easy to love up on you. The fourth song is All Me by Kalani featuring Keisha Cole. Here's the lyric. I hate when we're apart, 'cause I love me around you. Embrace all my flaws when you didn't have to. I don't know about you, but I have flaws. Honey, I got insecurities. I got things that I need to work on for sure. But the right person for me is going to love me even through my imperfections. And this song reminds me of that. When it says, embrace all my flaws and keeps holding me down, My man has got my back. Even in my imperfections, he's got my back. The 5th song is Best Shot by Jimmy Allen. Here's a lyric. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, 'cause girl, you know I'm not. But I'll love you with everything I got. Girl, I'll give you my best shot. Oh my gosh, this song, so sweet. He's saying he will do his best shots. He knows he's not perfect man. No man is. But he will love and give his best shot. The person for you is going to do whatever it takes to make the relationship work because you are bringing that energy as well. Together, y'all are gonna build each other up in the most pure way because you both are going to give it your best shot. The 6th song is Frozen by Sabrina Claudio. Here's a lyric. And the sun will be shining, the flowers will still be blooming, then leaves will turn again, but time will be frozen for us. Can you imagine being with someone and there's chaos all around you? You know, flowers blooming, sun is shining, things are happening. But when you're with the one you love, time is frozen. Time feels frozen because you're right where you're supposed to be, and that's with this person. So sweet. The 7th song is Best Part by her and Daniel Caesar. Here's a lyric. When you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. If life is a movie, oh, then you're the best part. When you're with the one you love, every detail of them is going to become the best part of them. And so as you go throughout your day, the best part is them. The best part of your day is them. Them cheering you up, them lifting you up, them consoling you when you're sad, them holding you, them kissing, everything. That is the best part. If life is a movie, it says, then you're the best part of my movie. Oh my gosh, it's hard for me not to start crying right now because these songs are just so beautiful, just so full of love. I hope you guys feel it right now because I'm feeling the love. Number 8, Butterflies by Casey Musgraves. Here's a lyric. I was just coasting, never really going anywhere. And out of the blue, I fell for you, stealing my heart instead of stealing my crown. I desire a partner who cheers for me, who uplifts me, who's not trying to compete with me. I know you all desire that too, and these lyrics are awesome because you can tell Casey is talking about how she was trying to build her career and her love was right there beside her, building her up. And she was just working hard, doing her thing, and all of a sudden the perfect guy fell right in front of her, and she fell as well. She fell for this man. I love this song because it's for the single ladies. And we are doing our work. We're doing and grinding and just working at it, blah, blah, blah. And then one day that person is just gonna fall in front of you and it's gonna be the most perfect time because it's gonna be divine timing. And that's what Casey's saying in Butterflies. The 9th song is This Love by Corinne Bailey Rae, originally made by Bob Marley. I love Corinne's version of this song because it has like a little jazzy feel and you feel like you're just wanting to get a glass of wine and dance with the love of your life in the kitchen. Ooh, can't wait to do that. So here's a lyric. I want to love you every day and every night. We'll be together with a roof over our heads to share the shelter in our single bed. I want to love so strong that even if we don't have a lot of possessions, we find things to be grateful for. Even if it's just saying the roof over our heads. we find something to be grateful for, because this is love. This is love. And number 10, In Case You Didn't Know by Brett Young. Here's a lyric. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago, in case you didn't know. Relationships should be so strong that even if you don't say I love you all the time, you know it within your heart. You're so secure in yourself that you know this relationship is all about love. You don't need that validation. But when you do hear it, it's at the perfect time. I love Brett Young saying, in case you didn't know, I'm crazy about you. I would be lost if I said I wanted to spend any day without you. You know, it is just so beautiful. I love it. I'm crazy about you. I love to hear that. I'm crazy about you. And here's a bonus song. I had to squeeze this one in because this song is so romantic. It is Stand By You, arranged by Benjamin Harlan, originally sung by B.E. King. I know you all know this song, but this song was performed by a choir with Benjamin leading it at the royal wedding of Harry and Meghan. And you have to watch this video clip. I will link it below. But the choir is just so in love. Like, it's just like there was so much love energy in that building. That church, the Buckingham Palace. There was just so much love in that church that you can see it in their eyes in this clip. The choir is just radiating love. And then there's small clips of Harry and Meghan looking at each other, and the way they look at each other, you just know that their love is real. But here, let me give you a lyric from this song, Stand By Me. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. And then it goes on to say, darling, darling, stand by me, stand by me. Ah! Y'all, I am just feeling the love now. I'm just feeling the love. If you're interested in any of these songs, I actually made a love manifestation playlist just for you with these 10 songs, 11 songs, and many more songs that are all about love to get you on that love frequency. I love to listen to love songs when I'm walking, when I'm dancing, when I'm in my apartment alone, when I'm cooking. It just makes me feel so good, and I know the words are speaking into my life. I talk all about this all the time. Affirmations work in your life, so even with music, what are you affirming in your life with the lyrics? So yes, I made a playlist and I linked it below in my bio, so check that out. Comment a love song, please. I want to hear more love songs, so comment a love song or comment one of the songs that you know from this list. Maybe they resonate with you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you are a part of the powerful creators community. Give this video a thumbs up, because when you give it a thumbs up, it's shown to more people. And I know more people in the world need to hear about love songs and how they equip you to manifest your love, your soulmate, your twin flame, all the above. So give it a like. Thank you. If you're interested in daily affirmations, follow me on Instagram, because that's what I do. I give out affirmations every single day of the week. I love you all so much, and thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon.